Hey there, welcome to our channel Uniplex. Guys, our planet is full of indescribable wonders that challenge our understanding of the universe. We often see such strange scenes in this world, which remind us again and again how diverse the world is. And that's why we're going to explore some of the world's most amazing and surprising natural phenomena in today's video. So friends, keep watching this video patiently till the end to witness some incredible, unimaginable, and strange events. So, without wasting any more time, let's start today's video. Guys, it is actually a cloud, and this strangely beautiful cloud was spotted in China a few days ago. Friends, that strange orange object you see in the sky is a cloud. And this type of cloud is called a lenticular cloud. This strange cloud was seen in Turkey a few days ago. This is the Devil's Wood Yard mud volcano in Trinidad. Devil's Wood Yard is a natural wonder located in Trinidad and Tobago, famous for its mud volcanoes. These unique geological formations are created by pressurized pockets of gas and liquids, resulting in eruptions of mud and gas. The area is popular among tourists and scientists alike for its geological significance. Guys, this strange phenomenon that you guys can see on the sea beach is called bioluminescence. Bioluminescence refers to the ability of living organisms to produce and emit light. This phenomenon occurs through a chemical reaction between a light-emitting molecule called luciferin and an enzyme called luciferase, which produces energy in the form of light. The best beach to see bioluminescence is Vieques, Puerto Rico's Mosquito Bay, known as Bioluminescent Bay. What an amazing view! It looks like as if the soil is breathing through its lungs. Friends, this strange beautiful place was spotted in Brazil. The video shows the entire location submerged underwater. The main cause of this is heavy rainfall. Anyway, the scene is truly extraordinary. Seeing such cleanliness under the water feels like it's a place in heaven. This is called an ice tsunami. Ice tsunami, the rare and dangerous phenomenon. Ice tsunamis, also known as ice shoves or ice surges, occur when strong winds and currents push masses of ice onto shorelines or structures. These rare events can cause significant damage and pose a serious threat to coastal communities. Guys, this is sundog or sun halo. Sundog or sun halo are atmospheric optical phenomena that appear as bright spots on either side of the sun, often resembling a mock sundae. They are caused by the refraction and reflection of sunlight through ice crystals in the atmosphere and are most commonly seen during winter months in polar regions. Sundogs are a stunning reminder of the natural beauty of our world and a testament to the intricate workings of our atmosphere. Friends, this strange phenomenon is called fog tsunami. Fog tsunami, a rare and mysterious phenomenon. A rare phenomenon known as a fog tsunami has been witnessed in various parts of the world. This natural occurrence, also called a sea fog event, is caused by a unique set of weather conditions that create a thick wall of fog that rolls over land, resembling a tsunami. Although a fascinating sight to behold, fog tsunamis can be dangerous and disruptive to transportation and daily life. What a strange! The wind is so strong it makes a waterfall float in reverse here. This strange phenomenon is called a double full circle rainbow. Guys, it is a magnificent and extremely rare capture of the double full circle rainbow. What a strange cloud! It looks like a wave of the sea. This is Colombia's Rainbow River. Its vibrant colors are due to an extremely rare aquatic plant that blooms into one of 5 colors. Rainbow River is a crystal-clear, spring-fed river in Colombia that runs through a lush, tropical forest. Its name comes from the vibrant colors of the riverbed and the fish that inhabit it. The river is a popular destination for swimming, snorkeling, and diving. Guys, this is the incredible sight of a cave being illuminated by millions of glowworms. Here we see a magnificent phenomenon as a seemingly endless waterfall of clouds rolls over hills in Australia. What a wonderful view! Guys, here is a mesmerizing display of volcanic lightning during an eruption in the Philippines in 2020. What a strange and magnificent view! Friends, this circle of snow is not a human creation. It is a completely manifestation of nature's work. Guys, this twitching pillar of light is known as a crown flash. A twitching pillar of light is a rare phenomenon that is often associated with paranormal activity. Witnesses describe it as a pulsating beam of energy that appears and disappears without warning. Some believe it to be a sign of spiritual communication or alien presence. It's one of the world's rarest natural phenomena. Recently, this amazing view of the clouds was seen in Norway. After seeing this view, the locals there were all amazed. And that's why a local person captured this amazing view on his mobile camera. Guys, this is Pink Lake Hillier. Pink Lake Hillier is a unique natural wonder located in Western Australia. Its vibrant pink hue is caused by algae and bacteria that creating a truly unique sight. This is truly unbelievable. Incredible and rare footage of a rainbow that formed in a waterfall. Friends, this strange incident happened in Vietnam. Here it is seen that everyone is running. In fact, their main reason for running here is to catch as many fish as possible as quickly as possible. It can be seen here that numerous fishes get stuck on the seashore with the waves of the sea. Basically, everyone is running here to catch these fish. Guys, it is not an extraordinary event, but it is something that is not commonly seen. Guys, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching the video for so long patiently. If you like this video, you can like and comment, and if you want to see such strange and interesting videos, you can subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon next to it. See you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay well. Thank you.